So in this video we are going to see about the assembly, how to make the assembly of the connecting rod. So first go to the assemble. After going to the assemble, first retrieve the part, okay, where you have saved. So from there you can retrieve. So I am saved in the connecting rod. So from there I am going to there. So first I am going to bring the body part over here. So body part over here. So after bringing the body part, I am going to trim. Sorry, I am going to rotate. So after that, going to bring the this one. Start washer, distance space, cover, push, bearing brass. So I am going to bring the bearing brass. Bearing brass have to come assemble over here, this particular part and this. So even in between the part as well as the mark, this which one the plane is coming, so that it is not selecting properly. So I'm going to rotate over here. Now somewhat going to see next. So again some more point you have to remember. Rotate, go to the again rotate. So zoom. So this particular part has to be selected. So this has to be assembled over here. Then rotate. We'll see. So the part is. So once again you can delete bearing brass. First initially, see the surface has to be matte with this one. Your fit or rotate option. Check the flip option. Close. Flip. Okay. So then next step, assemble. Okay, it's correct. Then comes to rotate again. Select the surface of this and you can rotate the another surface. Yes, this one. So now somewhat it is assembled correctly. So after assembling this, then comes to select the thing is called as distance space. You have to bring, select the assemble over here top. So back side of this. Here and rotate. So the next assemble is the axial one. then this as well as this one. So almost this has to be assembled over here. Okay, on the top, even same like in the bottom also, the same distance is going to assemble over here. Select this as well as this, flip, and here this is the surface, and comes to this as well as I'll try to rotate the thing. Assemble, rotate. So select it, bring the body distant washer again. So select from this surface the back side of the distance washer, this as well as rotate here, this as well as here, then this surface. Try to rotate. So after rotating this, it's coming over here. Then next thing, this is temporarily I'm going to rotate. Then bring the next is the cover. So after bringing the cover, again I'm going to bring the this bearing boss, bringing the bearing boss. So select assemble. So this sub-assembly I am going to do first. Flip and here this one, flip, so the next trying to do the assembly over here. Assembly this as well as rotate the so that has to be assembled over here. So after assembling this sub assemblies I am going to place over here, flip, okay, then select this as well as rotate. Select the particular this front surface. So almost it has to be assembled. We will check any other thing is not assembled properly. We will assemble all. So it has to be assembled. Okay. So then the next step going to bring the going to split pin as well as nut. Here what is this pin? So the pin I'm going to bring, select pin, going to keep over here. So in this pin, so what is the part family I'm going to check. Open pin, open this, selling the part drawing sheet. Where is the pin? Fourth part. This is the pin. So no, not pin. I have to bring the second part. Third part. That is third part is the stud. Okay. So go over here. I am going to bring the stud. As of now I am going to delete stud. Where is the stud? I am going to bring. So it has to be keep over in this hole. So rotate. So here I have not created any holes over here. So minimize this. Again I am going to open the body part. That is open. Going to open the body part. So in this area created this hole over here. The hole is coming, I think, throughout the component. See over in the side top view. So the hole is placed over here, that is coming throughout the component. So here I am going to make, there is the option is called hole and edit profile. So return, it has to come, finish, rotate. So the hole has to come throughout the component. So edit profile and this is the profile. Return. So otherwise we will do hole extent. From to extent, finite extent through or left and right click. So the hole is created full. So now check over here. Here also the hole is coming over here. So now after creating the hole, what happens? We can save over here. Then the hole is coming over here also. So before we are seeing the hole is not there, it has to be updated over here also. So now going to select assemble, assemble, sorry, This is a component from here, and select this particular hole and wireframe model. Go to the wireframe model. So this Control Z, or otherwise first you can give the this particular holes has to be assembled and as well as so once it's not assembled properly, you can delete and bring over once again. So that is well and good. So this is the hole as well as that wireframe model. Thread. So like this I have to assemble, and again I am going to bring the stud over here. So first rotate, so axial alignment, this as well as this, so it has to be assembled. And comes to the next, give fit and select the next thing will be the washer. Bring over here, select the washer from here, this is the thing, and this again washer, select the surface from here, this as well as this. So if you have assembled over here, then bring the net. So from the bow, so the washer surface, select so if you are not getting, you can rotate. So please try to rotate and check it has to come in the flip. So flip and assemble. Inside one. Okay, so now what to do, try to keep that hole should be visible. Okay, so now rotate the hole, you can see over here. So in this hole, bring the split pin. I'm going to bring the split pin. So this hole fit. Split pin has to be move over here. Now select, assemble and rotate. so this particular surface and here. So the distance you can give certain, what is the split pin length, 25 mm means you can give like 25 means 15 over here, 15, and we will check exactly it will be locked or not. So come over here, okay, it's exactly, it will be locked. Then again we will do the same thing in the bottom also. Come to bring the net and so top front surface of the washer, on the back side of this what nut. So we'll check it. Okay, then assemble here as well as inside, then going to rotate. So we will check it that this will be visible or not. So otherwise we can go to the nut. So now here we will be going to see the hole. So Control Z. So I'm going to rotate manually, move the motor here. So I'm going to rotate the manually the nut, and again I'm going to bring the split pin over here, the split pin. So for the hole as well as this portion, and rotate the other side, select the surface, this as well as here. Now we can give the distance of 15 mm. That means we can give minus 15 mm. So exactly it has to be fitted over inside the nut. So we can rotate. So after this, what are all the other things we are going to arrange? Stud is completed, washer also completed, nut and pin. So those pin bring over here, select assemble. So inside this pin has to go, and here this. So trying to rotate, it is coming over in this manner. Okay, here we will check in the assemble drawing, the pin it has to be fitted over here. So like a little bit we are going to keep away from here. So the other side also it is to be maintained same. So what is that? Close this. I'm going to give minus 2 mm. What happens? It will be extended over here. So we can give 2 mm. I'll check the other side. So almost it will be fixed over exactly. Then comes to then the bottom, select a pin again, bring over here, select assemble. So from here and this surface, this one, give the distance of 2 mm. So exactly it has to be fixed. So after fixing this, I'm going to bring. So washer is completed, stud is completed, stud, split pin is completed, pin as well as nut, a distance piece, cover also completed, bush, body and bearing bars. So only thing is bush is remaining. To bring the bush over here and select the assembly from here, and this as well as this surface, and going to rotate. So even that inside the circle also it has to be connected properly over here. So go over here and check. So that also you have completed. Almost all the thing is completed. So after completed this, you can go with the what is the other thing, converted into 2D manner. So go with save as, connecting rod, assemble, save, go to the create drawing, OK, and give next, front, custom, OK, close, and top view and diametric view, give finish, going to keep over here. Okay, so then you change the sheet setup. So sheet setup, background, A4 sheet, show background off, give OK. So now I'm going to keep over this thing. Even this you can reduce the scale 1:5, sorry 1:2, so you can keep somewhere here. So the thing you have to keep. Then going to give fit, and this is I'm going to move over here, change into the solid mode, and come over here, select the update view. So this has to be updated. So wherever you want to make the section, you can create it. Go with the cutting plane option. So from exactly middle and finish either that side or this side. So this side. So select a sectional view, go on, place over here. So the sectioning has to be done over here. Okay, this we also save as well as give as a printout. Okay, with that the assembly of drawing is to be over. Close. That's it.